Good morning. Good morning.
Доброе утро.
Good morning. Yeah.
Красивая футболка.
Nice polo.
Здравствуйте, привет.
Hi. Good morning.
Ничего страшного. Я стерильный.
Доброе утро.
Так.
Morning, good to see you.
Собирался в Калининград.
Добрый день. Добрый день.
Ready to go.
Регату имени себя открываю.
А, ну он хочет жить.
Поздравляю. Дождались, да.
Это другое, я как его не пинаю.
Кимия.
Как жизнь?
Да.
How are you?
Пойдем. You're welcome.
Не мое, свиньи.
Ну да.
Ты туда лезешь?
Давайте.
Чуть-чуть поближе. Чуть-чуть.
A bit closer.
Стоп. Секунду. Все, спасибо, Дмитрий.
Thank you very much, Dmitry Alexandrovich.
Вот очень много скопилось с этого края.
There is too many people on one side. Move a little bit to the right.
Скажите, пожалуйста, какая главная цель
What is the main purpose of your expedition?
expedition and what are you going to? Some scientific researches maybe. Tell us about that, please.
Ну сейчас
Well, currently,
тяжело говорить
it's pretty hard to outline the actual goals of the expedition.
Ну, а что именно
But what exactly
всегда
is the essence of what you will be doing on orbit? I was talking to that during the press conference. There is a lot of very interesting and important experiments that we are supposed to perform on orbit. Experiment Dan, for instance, it's a study of the central nervous and breathing system of a human being, of a cosmonaut, and great many different experiments that have been done on orbit for quite some time. For instance, plasma crystal. So like I said, I cannot remember everything off the top of my head, but it's going to be a variety of different interesting experiments and activities, and we won't idle away our time, that's for sure.
готовиться, да, и что именно пришлось пройти?
So, could you characterize the training process? What did you have to go through? And, well, it's not an easy task to get trained to fly in space. So the training is complex, is long, but interesting. You are about to fly to Baikonur. You finished up all the training activities, and hopefully even the way that you had to go through is something that you will use and need during the flight. Well, I hope that the training, a lot of training that we had done, particularly survival training, is something that we will not have to use during the flight. We will successfully land without those complications. But on the other hand, it adds the assurance that we will manage to get out of any difficult situation if this is something that will happen. But otherwise, we're thinking about the science mostly, the research, which is the most part of what we're concerned about. When you were doing last steps as part of your training, at which point did you feel that you are just a team? Well, we had some frictions and we had some minutes and moments when we were trying to adjust to each other, adapt to each other, but otherwise Kjell and Kimiya are very similar, and very soon we've realized that we are very much similar. We are very positive when it comes to our attitude towards life. We have a sense of humor, and we are ready. And it's just an excellent opportunity.
We are so honored to be a part of the legacy of the Apollo Soyuz docking that occurred now 40 years ago. We are excited to get up to the space station and start the research that will help us extend our presence in space and bring benefit back to mankind here on Earth.
What kind of research are more expected?
Well, my background is in physiology, and I'm a medical doctor, so I'm very interested in the life sciences research and how we adapt and can provide countermeasures to the astronauts and cosmonauts that are living on the space station.
ゆいさん、いつも日本の子供たちにお伺いするんですけど、ゆいさん日本で中年の星と呼ばれてますんで、日本の中年の男性にメッセージをぜひお願いします。いやいや本当に自分は中年だって思ったら負けっていうところもあるかもしれないんで、やっぱり自分のね中年年は取っていきますけど、気持ちが若ければ何でもできるんで、ね。頑張ってほしいなと思います。私が頑張るのを見て頑張ってほしいと思います。バイクノールへの出発の日をどのようなお気持ちで迎えていらっしゃいますか。そして地元の方にも一言お願いします。はい、やはりここまで準備してきたので、ようやくここまで来たかという感じですね。あとは結果を出すだけということなんで、地元の人たち、日本の人たちにもしっかり応援してほしいなと思いますので頑張ります。Извините,
Sorry, I had to do it in Japanese. How did you sleep this night prior to leaving for Baikonur? How do you feel? I think we are no longer nervous because we've been waiting for 2 months and we should have been on orbit 2 months ago. So we kind of overweighted everything, and now we are very much confident that we will succeed.
Kimiya.
Yuri-san.
Kjell.
Привет. Все.